Water dance. Gudu loves to dance to the moo of a cow and even the sound of someone munching. Water, you've got rhythm. Let's see what else you can do. Swish, swash, swish, swash. Slow down, stream. I can't keep up with you. Burble, burble, burble. I wonder if a river has a gentler rhythm. Maybe I could bounce along with it. Whoosh, boom, bash. The ocean may look calm, but I bet the waves are wild and loud. Puff, 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 puff. Nothing's louder than this rain. These raindrops are so quick and wild. Whoosh, fizz, whoosh, fuzz. Oh, waterfall, you're pretty loud too. Mom's skipping stone by the lake. Maybe the lake has its own tune too. Skippity, 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 plop. Why are you dancing, Gudu? Everyone asks. There's no music. There is music. And there is rhythm. Just listen to the water. Now that we've finished the story, let's take a closer look at some of the key words we learned along the way. Dance means to move your body to music. You can jump, spin, or wave your hands. Dancing is fun. Cow is a big animal that gives us milk. It says moo and eats grass. Moo is the sound that a cow makes. It's like the cow is talking. Munch means to eat something with a steady, soft, crunchy sound, like when you chew apples or carrots. Rhythm is a regular pattern of sounds or movements, like the beat in music or how your feet move when you dance. Slow down means to move or do something more slowly. Stream is a small, narrow river. Keep up means to move at the same speed as someone or something so you don't fall behind. For example, if your friend is running fast and you run just as fast, you are keeping up with them. Bounce means to move up and down or away after hitting something. For example, when you throw a ball to the ground, it hits the floor and jumps back up. That's called bouncing. You can also bounce when you jump a little and land again, like on a trampoline. You've listened to the story and looked at some new words. Great job! Keep listening, keep learning, and let English be fun every day. See you in the next video!